Hi friends, it's STEAM Saturday. I'm really excited about our activity today. We are going to talk about Newton's third law of motion. And I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but it's all around us every day. So I want you to think about what it might be as we're working on our STEAM activity for today. So these are the things you're going to need. A pencil with an eraser, a straw. The one in the example had a bendy straw like this, and I happen to have one at home. I'm trying to find things that you might have at home, so I hope you have some of these things at home. A balloon and tape. It's suggested, I think, like duct tape or something like that, but this is only tape I have at home, so I'm going to try this. You need a pencil. Oh, I already said a pencil with a good eraser, and you need a pin. So this is the kind of pin that I have. I was thinking if you don't have a pin, do you have something else at home that you could substitute, like maybe a paper clip that you could, I'm not sure if that would work or not, but see if you can figure it out with what you have at home to make something similar. All right, so we're going to make a balloon pinwheel. This is what we're going to do. We're going to start out by taking the balloon and taping it on the straw. So I'm going to get that tape out. By the way, do you guys know what STEAM stands for? Like, why is it called STEAM and what does it even really mean? So STEAM, the S, do you know what that S is for? S is for science, yeah. The T, if you said technology, you're right. The E is for engineering, and the A is for art, and the M is for math. So STEAM, and STEAM is everywhere, and it's really important to our future. So that's why it's important to just experiment with STEAM activities. You can find them all over online. And I'm really missing our STEAM Saturdays that we had planned for school. We had so many cool things planned. So I just wanted to say that one of the things about STEAM is that, and some of you know this if you came to STEAM Saturdays when we were doing the paper airplanes or different things, that if you fail at something on STEAM, we don't think like, oh, I failed, I'm terrible at this, I'm going to give up. When we're doing STEAM, and it should be this way in real life too, how can I make an adjustment to make it work? Or even if it does work, how can I make it even better? But the big thing is not to think that you failed, but to take that failure and learn from it and then try to see what you can do to make it work. All right, so I'm kind of doing not the best job, but it said to try to get a nice tight seal on that balloon. So I really have a mess here, but it's not as easy as it looks to get this balloon taped on. But we're going to go with it right here. And I might have even used too much tape. So, now that I'm wrapping it around, I'm thinking to myself, if this doesn't work, when I try it again, I might need to use less tape, or I might need to move the straw in a little bit farther or pull the straw out a little bit. Those are all the things that I really don't know. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, it says to kind of find a way to, like, you kind of want it to balance. So you're kind of going to figure out where to put this on the balloon with the pin so that it kind of balances. I'm going to try it right here. I'm not really sure if that's the right spot, but again, give it a try. And we can always redo it or make an adjustment if it doesn't work. Oh, that went through there really easy. I thought that was going to be a tricky part. Okay, so now it says to blow up the balloon, and that is a tricky part. And I struggle blowing up balloons, so now it has to go through the straw and through the balloon. So let's see if it works. Oh, wow, that blew up really easily. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm holding it right there on the straw so that the air stays in the balloon. And in a minute here, I'm going to let go. What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to hold this right here and see if it works. I don't know if I have that tape in the right spot. Give it a try. You ready? 3, count it with me. 2, 1. Wow. check it out, you guys. Did you notice how it went faster at the end? How cool was that? So cool, I want to do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Actually, no, I'm going to tell you now. Did you think about what Newton's third law of motion might be? So Newton's third law of motion means that for every, Newton's third law of motion is that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So the action is the air coming out of the balloon, and the reaction is that it's making it spin. You know how when you blow up a balloon and you let go and it kind of goes all over the place like crazy? Yeah, and it's the same thing like with a rocket going up in the air. It's even the same thing when you jump. You're pushing down on the ground and that's the action, and then the equal opposite reaction is you going up in the air. Just do it one more time. Wow, I did not think this was going to work. I've never done this before. I thought I'd maybe have to do it a few times. I can hear air coming out somewhere, and I'm not sure if it's through the tape or the balloon, but there still is air in this, so let's see if we can make it work again. Are you ready? Count it with me again. 3, 2, 1. I just think that is really cool. See how it's going faster? Wow. I hope you guys have the materials to do this at home because it was even more fun than I thought it was going to be. All right, today you learned about Newton's third law of motion. If you do this, please take some pictures or a video, put it in the and include it in the messages, and have fun. Try some different things. Maybe move the straw around a little bit. I don't know, try some different things and let us know what you see and how it works. And if it doesn't work, make some adjustments. Newton's third law of motion. I hope you all have a great day. Keep doing STEAM activities and helping that brain grow. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And just so you know, all the Sunnyside teachers miss you so much. Not just the teachers, all the staff members miss you so much. Thanks for doing STEAM with me today. Bye.